Hello, everyone. My name is Nanette Smith, and I've worked in California law offices for over 30 years. Today, I want to tell you about the number one mistake that I've seen people make in court, and this mistake has nothing to do with whether they're right or wrong. I personally watch people lose good cases they should have won because of this one issue. The problem is called service. This is general education information and not legal advice, just so you know. What does service mean? Service means legally delivering court papers to the other party in a specific way required by the court rules. This is extremely important. Filing papers with the court is only one half of the job. The other half is properly notifying the other side. The court system is based upon fairness. A person cannot defend themselves if they were not properly notified. Because of that, judges take service very seriously. Common misunderstandings. Here is what many people believe. If I filed my paperwork, the court will notify the other side. Usually, that's not true. In most civil cases, family law and small claims matters, you are the one responsible to make sure that the other party is served properly. The court does not do this for you. Number one biggest mistake, serving the party yourself. The first major mistake, people try to serve the parties themselves. In most cases, you cannot personally hand the papers to the other party. Service must be done by someone over 18 who is not a party to the case. If you do it yourself, the service is invalid even if the other person actually receives the papers. Yes, they can still win on a technicality. Biggest mistake number two, wrong method. The second common mistake is using the wrong type of service. Different documents require different service methods. Sometimes personal service is required. Sometimes substitute service is allowed. Sometimes service by mail is permitted. Using the wrong method can cause your hearing to be postponed or worse, your request denied. Biggest mistake number three, no proof of service. This is the mistake I've seen the most. People come to court with their paperwork, but no completed proof of service. To the judge, it's as if it's not documented. If it's not documented, it didn't happen. You may know you mailed it, you may know that you received it, but the court only recognizes the written proof of service, even if the person received it. Without it, the judge cannot proceed. I have literally seen cases stopped in less than 60 seconds for this reason. Why courts care so much. This surprises people, but courts are not trying to be difficult. Service protects constitutional laws and rights because of due process. The court must be certain that every party has been noticed and has had an opportunity to respond. Procedures protect fairness. What should you always do? Always. Use a proper server. Adults not involved in the case. Complete the correct proof of service form. File it before the hearing if possible, and bring a copy to court. If you do these four things, you avoid one of the most common reasons cases fail. In closing, over the years, I've seen people spend months preparing for their argument, organizing evidence, and studying the law, and their cases never even get heard because service was done incorrectly. Court is not only about who is right, it's about following procedures. If this video helped you, please subscribe. I'll be posting more videos explaining court procedures in plain English so you can avoid costly mistakes. Thank you for watching. And remember, this is educational information only and not legal advice. For legal advice about your specific situation, consult a licensed attorney in your state.